What's going on, guys? Hey, welcome to Money, Mindset, and Fitness, and I'm Malik, the Fit Trader. So today we're going to be diving into the world of stock options. So this isn't a traditional video of when we show you how to get in and get out on the same day. This is going to be more towards a earnings play and a momentum play leading up into earnings. So a lot of people, so if you don't know me, one of my strategies that I do to make money in this market is I play earnings. But I don't play earnings like the traditional person plays earnings. I play earnings how it's supposed to be played, how the rich, the elite, and the wealthy do. So I wait until a company's going to report earnings, and about a month out from the actual report date, that's when I buy contracts on a company that I think is going to exceed standards. So that means just beating on revenue, beating on earnings, beating on the analyst numbers and Wall Street numbers that Wall Street has for the company. So we're going to take a dive into the charts, and I'm going to show you all what I'm looking at. And another thing we need to be on the lookout for, so historically speaking, April is one of the highest returning months for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. So with that being said, it makes sense why Wall Street and the algorithm, they'll try to throw you and knock you off of your game. So they do this by Fed talks, core CPI numbers, and all that stuff that gets you to react and react to the short term. But that's not how you become a profitable trader. You become a profitable trader from, first of all, buying and being an investor. We'll make another video on that. But besides being an investor and buying stocks long term, you need to make sure that you know the market sentiment, and also do not let them rally you. Because one thing I've known from my years of trading, Wall Street, they will try to rally you. They will try to shake you out of your position, especially when they know that you're holding a value company. So we're going to dive into the charts, and we're going to look into actually one of my most exciting and favorite stocks for the quarter 2 of 2024. Y'all look at the charts, follow me. What's going on, guys? So if y'all ready, let's dive into Qualcomm. So the reason that I really like this stock is because if you look at the momentum leading up into the past month, so this stock is it's up over 6%. So that's $10 leading up into earnings. And one thing that I found really interesting is it's up 6%, but in the past 5 days since the beginning of April, the stock has been up 4%. So pretty much out of the past month, it's showing strong momentum leading up into earnings. So we can go here. So we're going to look at their earnings day, and I'm going to show you all the technicals on the chart as well. I just want to get this out of the way first. So let's go to the financials. So anytime you're researching a company and you want to know if it's a profitable company, you can go to Yahoo Finance, scroll down to the financials, and then you can see all the finances. You can see their earnings, you can see their revenue, net share, earnings per share. You can see all their info. But what we're focusing at and looking at right now is the quarter 1 report. So they report quarter 1 May 1st. So one thing that we identified is Qualcomm leading up until earnings, they're already on an uptrend. So we're going to put it up on the chart. So let me show you all. So right now we have the weekly chart pulled up on Qualcomm. So we got the weekly chart. And if you can look here, these wicks, that's highs for Qualcomm. And one thing that I like is we have a level of so right at that 180-ish level. So if you look, it made a double bottom into the last move, to the last leg up. So that's on the weekly chart, and we're expecting this to go and exceed all-time highs after this earnings. So that's on the weekly. Now let's look at the daily. It looks good on the daily as well. So even if you look on the daily, it's still showing solid movement towards the upside. And even look, you can even look here into a more macro look. It's making higher highs and lower highs. So if you can look, move up, move down, but that move down never exceeded the previous high. So that's nothing but bullish sentiment, bullish movement on this stock. And we can go here. Now we're going to pull up some more research on Qualcomm and show you all why I really like this. So we're going to go into their finances, balance sheet. So let's look. So this is the quarterly. Look at net income. So if you can look right here in this column right here that's highlighted blue, you can see their net income. And their stock, they're always showing gains. See, that's last quarter. And they made more money this quarter than they did last quarter. Now let's look at the annual. Look at the quarterly. So wow. So if you look at their net, so that's 1 billion, 1.8 billion, 1.4 billion, 2.7 billion, and trailing 12 months is 7.7 billion. So guys, this is not financial advice. This is never financial advice. I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing, and you can choose to follow along or not. So this is what I'm doing for Qualcomm. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go down to the options chain. Then I want to get it at least a month out, so we'll be looking at the May 3rd, 2024 call. And I almost bet you the 180 is going to be the highest. Yep. So that 180. So I'll be looking at the 180 strike price. And the reason that I like this, because the bid and ask is within 10 cents. So anytime you're trading options, this is just free game rule of thumb. Never trade an option that doesn't have a tight bid ask. You know what I'm saying? So it's like 10 cents is good, 15 cents is good, but it all depends on your risk management. You know what I'm saying? Some people say, I want to get in and out. But you wouldn't trade this because the bid and the ask isn't as tight. So they also have stocks that has bid and ask within 1 cent, 2 cents. You know what I'm saying? So if the 10-cent spread isn't like to your likings, then you can choose another stock. But like I said, I'm showing y'all what I'm doing. So we're gonna go here. The open interest on that is 82, and the volume is 50. So the premium last sold was $547, because in options you have 0 to everything. You have 2 zeros. So that's actually $547 for that option. So that's the next play that I'm looking at for a swing trade. So like I said, if you find these videos helpful, we make videos like this all the time. So, and we also, for everybody who's following us, we have something special coming out for you all. Like I said, I know we make individual videos, but we actually have some good collaborations we have coming out. And we have some more educational content and some more action you can take, some more content you can take action on. Like I said, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend.